A tragic news came from Balochistan. At least 10 people were killed and 6 others were injured when an explosion hit a pickup truck carrying coal mine workers in Balochistan's Harnai area today. According to Harnai Deputy Commissioner Hazrat Wali Kakar, the blast occurred when an improvised explosive device LED detonated in coal mines area PMDC 94 in Harnai Sharak district. The bodies of the deceased and the injured have been shifted to the Sharak district health unit. Law enforcement agencies reached the site and the investigation has been ordered into the incident according to the statement by Balochistan government. Spokesperson Shahid Rind. Most of the workers killed or injured today came from village of Puran Sawat in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Evidence was being collected and an initial investigation showed that the explosive material was planted on the roadside. Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfraz Bugti condemned the incident and expressed sorrow over the loss of lives. An official statement from the Chief Minister House. He directed the authorities concerned to provide the best medical facilities to the injured worker while vowing to uproot the scourge of terrorism. Terrorists who target innocent citizens do not deserve any forgiveness, the CM said. Strict action will continue against the elements damaging the peace of Balochistan.
Earlier on October 11, 2024, a devastating attack by the Baloch Liberation Army on the coal mines in the Duki district of Balochistan resulted in 21 miners dead and several injured. The private mine was attacked by 40 armed men. The attackers set fire to 10 coal engines at the mines. This is second major attack in Pashtun-dominated population district in Balochistan. On August 26, 2024, BLA terrorists killed 23 people after forcing them off their vehicles at a roadblock put up on a highway in Balochistan Mashkil district. Militants forced passengers off the vehicles and shot them after checking their identity cards, as mostly they were laborers from Punjab. Globally designated terrorist organization, BLA has been targeting laborers from Punjab. Now they have launched terrorist attack on Pashtun laborers, who have a major proportion of population in these areas.